क्या बोलूं क्या बोलूं Hello guys, welcome to my first ever shopping vlog, the ultimate shopping haul. So this is everything that I shopped this month in March. It's quite a lot. I usually don't shop this much now. I'm super excited to show you what all I have. कहाँ से शुरू करूँ? First I will start with what I got from Singapore. I don't like this brand. Actually, I have love-hate relationship with Charles and Keith. It's not my style usually, but I love the quality, design, style. I think ये उनके लिए है जो like 9 to 5 office goers हैं. It's not a playful brand, like not playful fun brand, but very nice quality wise. Very simple, nice, whatever. I'm not fixing it. This is the cutie bag. This is cute. I love the color. I love this bag. Can't wait to style it. This is it from Singapore. Next up is some Sephora stuff from Singapore. इसमें क्या है? This is a brand. I really like this brand. I don't know if it's available in India. I don't know. India में है क्या ये brand? I think Amazon and all pay, and I don't trust Amazon. उनके पास तो सब कुछ है. This is really good brand, guys. You should check it out. Skincare के लिए. It's called the Inky List, and even the price point is quite reasonable. I mean, it's not that expensive. Next is my favorite, Rare Beauty. Rare Beauty. I'm going to do another beauty haul, like a review of things you should have. निकल जाओ नहीं निकल रहा ओके ठीक है. Next is this Rare Beauty lip oil. It's really good. Like this is, I think this is our third bottle. It's amazing. I love everything from Rare Beauty. What else? This cutie is a gift. ये बाकी सब भी गिफ्ट है बिकॉज जिससे मैंने मंगवाया था उन्होंने एज अ गिफ्ट दे दिया. ऑनेस्टली आई लव जेनरस पीपल. कुछ भी गिफ्ट कर सकते हो मुझे. दिस इज अनदर perfume. I am a sucker for cute packaging, so I love it. Everything that's cute. It's a nice addition to my perfume tray. Perfume tray. This is another one from Inky List. ये इनका moisturizer. This is very good. This is for all skin types. This also I'm using it from quite some time. What else? These are some souvenirs जो कि मैं अपने न्यू फ्रिज पे लगाने वाली हूँ. We are moving soon. And this is another one. This is I'm going to style life में अगर मैं कभी गोवा गई. Also guys, एक fun fact है जिसे हम fun fact नहीं बोलेंगे, हम इसे बोलेंगे एक बेशरम fact है. Being Indian, मैं कभी गोवा नहीं गई. What else? Next क्या कर? Next हम दिखाएंगे from H&M. I shopped some dresses from H&M. This is a very cute dress, but I think ये expensive है. 2700 rupees. और जब मैंने realize किया expensive है तब तक 14 days हो गए थे तो मैं return नहीं कर पाई. And the reason it's expensive is because H&M वाले अब इसका बनाएंगे चड्डा, shorts और क्या क्या बनाते हैं, shirts, skirt, everything इस print में आपको सब कुछ मिलेगा. That's the reason मैं H&M से कुछ fresh में नहीं लेती. But anyways, damage done. This is cute. This dress is very cute. This is, मैं links डाल दूँगी if you guys want. Only if you guys want. Comment करना and I will give you the link. But this dress is really cool. It's plain satin dress and this goes around neck, so it's very cute. This is again, ये ठीक थी. This is 1800 rupees. I think it's worth it because it's a very cute piece. What else? Myntra. Guys, इस शर्ट की तो स्टोरी है. So I ordered this shirt from Myntra from plus size. और मैंने ऑर्डर करी 4XL because I wanted to wear like loose shirt. Guess what टाइट थी. तो अब ये 6XL है. This is oversize on me. मतलब मैं भी oversize हूँ but seriously 4XL tight. This is fine. I like the fabric and this brand is called Sassafras. Sassafras curve. Sassafras. This is a cute shirt and I'm obsessed with pink color. Next up is this brand. जम के ऐड हो रही है इसकी इंस्टाग्राम पे. लाइक मैं उठती हूँ ना गुड मॉर्निंग से पहले मुझे दिखता है ये फ्रीकेंस. जीन्स ले लो एवरीवेयर. सो ऑफ कोर्स मैं प्रेशर में आके मैंने ले लिया बिकॉज लिटरली इंस्टाग्राम रोज़ मुझे कह रहा था फ्रीकेंस की जीन्स लो. ये मैं ऑलरेडी खोल के ट्राई कर चुकी हूँ. दिस इज़ माई सेकेंड पीस फ्रॉम देम. आई हैव ट्राइड इट. इज़ रियली गुड. काफ़ी अच्छी जीन्स है. एंड दिस इज़ वेट 15 दिन से मैंने पैकेज खोला नहीं. 15 दिन पहले आया था ये. दिस 4000 बट मैंने डिस्काउंट में लिया. दिस इज़ द बेस्ट जीन्स फॉर PCOD गर्लीज. रीज़न इज़ क्योंकि हमारे को आधा टाइम ब्लोटिंग होती है, आधा टाइम वेट गेन होती है. एंड दिस हैज़ जितना खाने खा लो. सो एंड इवन द जीन्स अदरवाइज इट्स वेरी फाइन. आई लाइक इट. So 100% will recommend this Freakins. Also guys, वीडियो बनाते बनाते मेरे माइंड में ये चल रहा है कि ये मैस हटाएगा कौन. Next up is my favorite stuff from Dubai. First of all, a big thank you to everyone who brings stuff for me. So I have a lot of friends who keep on shopping for me and then they deliver it to me whenever they are coming to India. So स्पेशल थैंक यू टू फ्रेंड्स हु ब्रिंग स्टफ, स्पेशली जो इतना बड़ा बड़ा सामान उठा के लाते हैं. सो आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस बैग, क्लोई बैग. आई वॉजंट श्योर जब मैंने पिक्चर देखी बट आई थिंक इट्स अ क्यूटी. इसके लिए मुझे गोवा या बाली जाना होगा बिकॉज इट्स परफेक्ट बीच बैग. विल गो विद माई ड्रेस. आई विल स्टाइल इट सून. क्यूट है यार ये बहुत. इट्स वेरी क्यूट. ऑल्सो इट्स स्पेशियस. मैंने अभी यूज़ नहीं किया. नेक्स्ट इज दिस बेबी. सो क्यूट. इट्स कूल. It's a wallet but I'm not going to use it like on everyday basis because इस पे crease and all आ जाएगी. So what I have decided is to put a chain and use it as chain wallet. It's a cutie. What else? I don't know about this purchase. Honestly, comments में मुझे बताना. I have named this bag. बता दूँ? नाम बता दूँ? Disclose कर सकते हैं? Tatians. I loved it. I have this bag already in black color but I wanted, I don't know, it was impulsive purchase so I ordered this yellow color but I'm not sure now because it goes only with white shirts and it's very particular so I don't really love it but yeah, damage is done. Next up is this baby. Off-White. I really love this brand for some reason. I have literally everything from Off-White. Clothes, bags, shoes, everything. And now this cutie card holder. So cute. I love the packaging. बहुत तमीज़ से देते हैं ये लोग अपनी चीज़ें. Their dust bags, everything is so cool. What else I ordered? This Real Technique brush. It's really like दुबई में बहुत ही cheap है. I don't remember the price but maybe like around 1000 versus India में I think double price है. It's really cool. ये भी हमारा 3rd 4th box है. I keep ordering. And so guys, next up is this फ्रॉम ट्रू ब्राउन. इस ब्रांड के साथ मेरा लव हेट रिलेशनशिप है. रीज़न इज़ फर्स्ट द गुड थिंग अबाउट देम इज साइज इंक्लूसिव, 2 दिन में डिलीवरी एंड दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. बट द ड्रॉबैक इज़ द रिटर्न पॉलिसी. बेसिकली आपने कुछ अगर ले लिया इनसे तो नाउ अब वो तुम्हारा हो गया. दे डोंट डू रिटर्न पॉलिसी, दे डू एक्सचेंज बट ओनली साइज़. भाई अगर पीस ही शिटी है तो मैं साइज़ भी क्यों एक्सचेंज करूँ. बट स्टिल मैंने एक बार और इनसे ऑर्डर कर लिया है. रीज़न सेल. सो आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड सम स्टफ फ्रॉम सेल. आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस. सही लग रहा है. आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस अंगरखा सूट. गर्मियों के लिए अंगरखा. comes with pant और I mean it's fine, the quality is fine. और stitch suit आपको 2 दिन में मिल जाता है. what else you want. the only thing is whenever you're ordering from them, order what you like, that's it. कभी what I usually do is I order more so that I can return refund what I don't need. but इस brand के साथ ऐसा नहीं है because there is no exchange, there is no store credit, no refund, nothing. आपने चीज़ ले ली है तो आपको लेके बैठना है आपसे. so be very careful. I'll quickly show what else. Pardon. So I ordered this Angrakha in 2 colors, one for me and one for my mom, and the price was 1499. They have this sale going on, everything for flat 1499, which is really good. I have ordered same suits for 4,000 before because पहले ये 3,999 के थे. This is cool. This is plain cotton shirt, kaftan and pants. This is cool. I'm planning to spend some money and इसको मैं कुछ highlight करा लूँगी. This is cool. Kaftan again comes with a pant. This is my favorite. This looks very good. ये सब मैं अभी खोल रही हूँ वीडियो पे. I already have a lot of stuff from them. I know the fit, size, everything. 4,799 and I got it for 1,499, which is crazy. This is amazing. I love it. This is plain shirt. ये सब oversized shirts हैं and contrast pants. Love it. So yeah, that's all. This was quite a haul. I usually don't shop a lot because in 2023 my new year resolution was not to shop. Like don't over shop, over consumption and no to impulsive shopping. So I have really cut down. This is a lot because I ordered some stuff in Feb at my friend's place in Dubai and some stuff like it's all from different places and this was गर्मी है यार कपड़े तो मंगाएंगे. So yeah, this was all. Let me know guys, what did you love the most, and if you want me to do any more reviews or if you want me to try stuff, whatever, just let me know in the comment section. Bye bye.